The year 2025 marks a significant evolution for one of Russia's most legendary heavy anti-ship missiles, the P-700 Eth-1/2 known in NATO terminology as SSN-19 Shipwreck. Even though the Granit was originally conceived during the Cold War, its continued relevance into the modern era shows how powerful and adaptable this missile platform truly is. In 2025, the Granit is no longer just a relic of Soviet naval doctrine, but a modernized weapon system adapted to today's network-centric, electronic warfare-heavy battlefield. The original philosophy behind the Granit missile was simple but terrifyingly effective: overwhelm and destroy high-value naval targets, especially aircraft carrier strike groups. From the very beginning, the missile was designed to operate as part of a coordinated wolf pack attack, where multiple missiles communicate with each other in flight, share targeting data, and assign roles autonomously. This concept was decades ahead of its time, and in 2025, it has been refined even further using modern computing, sensors, and software logic. The 2025 update focuses heavily on digital modernization. One of the most important upgrades is the missile's onboard computer system. The original analog and early digital processors have been replaced with high-speed, hardened digital processors capable of real-time threat analysis. This allows the missile to better identify decoys, distinguish between different classes of ships, and dynamically retask itself during flight. If the primary target is destroyed or becomes unreachable, the missile can now autonomously select a new high-value target within the strike group. Another major improvement in 2025 is the guidance and navigation package. While earlier versions relied heavily on inertial navigation combined with active radar homing in the terminal phase, the updated Granit integrates multi-mode guidance. This includes improved inertial navigation, satellite navigation correction where available, and enhanced passive targeting modes. Passive targeting allows the missile to home in on enemy radar and communication emissions, significantly reducing the chance of early detection. This is particularly important against modern naval defenses that rely on layered radar coverage and early warning systems. Electronic warfare resistance has also been dramatically enhanced. Modern naval combat systems employ powerful jammers and deception techniques to confuse incoming missiles. The 2025 Granit update includes advanced electronic countermeasures, allowing it to filter false targets, resist jamming, and maintain lock even in heavily contested electromagnetic environments. Adaptive frequency hopping, smarter signal processing, and eye-assisted target validation all play a role in keeping the missile lethal until the final seconds of flight. In terms of flight performance, the Granit remains a beast. Its supersonic cruise capability continues to be one of its defining characteristics. The missile still uses a powerful turbojet engine optimized for long-range, high-speed flight. In 2025, engine control systems have been refined to improve fuel efficiency and reliability, slightly extending operational range while maintaining its high-speed profile. This ensures that the missile can be launched from well outside the engagement envelope of most ship-based air defenses. The flight profile itself has also been optimized. After launch, the missile can follow a high-altitude cruise to maximize range, then descend to a low-altitude sea-skimming trajectory during the terminal phase. Flying just meters above the sea surface, the missile exploits radar horizon limitations, giving defending ships very little reaction time. In coordinated salvos, one missile may climb to a higher altitude to act as a leader, scanning for targets and distributing data to the others, while the rest remain low and hidden until the final attack. Warhead options in 2025 remain flexible and devastating. The Granit is traditionally associated with a massive high-explosive warhead capable of crippling or sinking large surface combatants with a single hit. The updated versions continue to support this option, with improved fusing mechanisms to optimize detonation timing for maximum internal damage. While nuclear payloads have historically been associated with the Granit, modern doctrine emphasizes precision conventional strikes, and the 2025 update reflects this shift by prioritizing advanced conventional warheads with improved penetration and blast characteristics. Launch platforms are another area of evolution. Historically, the Granit was deployed primarily on Oscar-class nuclear-powered submarines and certain heavy surface combatants. In 2025, modernization efforts ensure compatibility with upgraded launch systems aboard refitted submarines and surface ships. Improved launch electronics and diagnostics increase reliability and reduce maintenance demands. Integration with modern combat management systems allows faster target data upload and more flexible mission planning before launch. One of the most interesting aspects of the 2025 Granit update is its improved integration into network-centric warfare. The missile is no longer an isolated weapon fired blindly toward a target area. Instead, it can receive mid-course updates from off-board sensors, including satellites, maritime patrol aircraft, drones, and other naval assets. This dramatically increases situational awareness and allows the missile to adjust its path in response to changing battlefield conditions. Even if the enemy attempts to reposition or deploy decoys, the Granit can adapt in flight. Survivability against modern missile defense systems has been a key focus of the update. Naval air defense has advanced rapidly, with systems capable of engaging multiple supersonic threats simultaneously. To counter this, the 2025 Granit employs improved evasive maneuvers during the terminal phase. High G-turns, unpredictable weaving patterns, and rapid altitude changes make interception far more difficult. Combined with sheer speed and low-altitude approach, these tactics push defensive systems to their limits. The psychological impact of the Granit should not be underestimated. Even in 2025, the knowledge that a platform capable of launching these missiles is present in a theater forces adversaries to allocate significant resources to defense. Carrier strike groups must maintain constant vigilance, deploy additional escorts, and rely heavily on airborne early warning and electronic warfare assets. This strategic effect is a key reason why the Granit continues to hold value beyond its raw technical specifications. From a doctrinal perspective, the 2025 Granit fits into a broader anti-access and area denial strategy. Rather than seeking direct confrontation, it serves as a powerful deterrent, complicating enemy planning and limiting freedom of maneuver. When combined with other missile systems, submarines, and air assets, the Granit becomes part of a layered threat environment that is extremely challenging to counter comprehensively. Maintenance and life cycle management have also seen improvements. Older missile systems often suffer from high maintenance costs and long preparation times. The 2025 update introduces modular components and improved diagnostics, making it easier to inspect, maintain, and refurbish missiles. This extends service life and ensures higher readiness rates, which is crucial for systems that may remain dormant for long periods before being needed at a moment's notice. Training and simulation have not been overlooked. Modernized software allows for highly realistic simulations of Granit launches and engagements without expending actual missiles. This enables crews to train more frequently and realistically, refining tactics and procedures for various scenarios. By 2025, this simulation capability is deeply integrated into naval training pipelines, ensuring that operators fully understand the missile's capabilities and limitations. Despite the emergence of newer missile systems, the Granit's sheer size, range, and payload still give it a unique role. It is not designed for saturation attacks with dozens of small missiles, but for delivering a small number of extremely powerful strikes that can change the course of a naval engagement. In that sense, the 2025 update preserves the missile's original identity while enhancing its effectiveness in a modern context. In the evolving landscape of naval warfare, adaptability is everything. The 2025 Granit missile update demonstrates how a legacy system can remain relevant through thoughtful modernization. By upgrading guidance, electronics, networking, and survivability, the missile continues to pose a serious threat to even the most advanced naval forces. It stands as a reminder that raw power, when combined with modern intelligence and adaptability, remains a decisive factor at sea. As naval technologies continue to advance, the Granit's story is far from over. The 2025 version represents a bridge between Cold War engineering and modern digital warfare, blending proven design with contemporary innovation. Whether viewed as a deterrent, a strategic asset, or a symbol of enduring missile design, the Granit remains one of the most formidable anti-ship weapons ever created, and in 2025, it is more capable than ever before.